Now, dear children, I'll tell you the third device, that is scanner. See, scanner is nothing but the graphics input device. Let me explain what is scanner. See, like if you have a hard copy at your home and you want the soft copy for that, so that time you will make use of this scanner device. Like your parents are having the photos of the photos in the album. That time no computers and no pen drive and all these things were not there, but now if you want to see that photo in the screen, and if you want to make a ppt presentation, so you will scan that photo by making use of scanner, and you will see that hard copy is converted into soft copy, and you can make use of that photos for making ppt presentation or any video. So scanner is a graphics input device, so it takes the input from us. It takes the input from us means whatever the photo, whatever the document you want to convert it into soft copy. So it is an input device. This is specially used to input pictures and photographs into the computer directly. Means computer directly you will see the soft copy of that thing whatever you have inserted into the scanner as a hard copy. Now joystick. Joystick is also same as mouse. Joystick is also a pointing device. Again it is a pointing device. You are able to see this is a pointing device which is used to move the cursor position on a monitor screen. Whenever the cursor you want to move from here and there, this is called as a cursor. Whenever this cursor you want to move from here and there, so that time you will make use of joystick. Next is light pen. Light pen is similar to if you remember the light pen you are getting in the market also. Light pen is a pointing device similar to a pen. Whatever the pen is there, it is same as that of whatever the pen you have, it light pen is same as that of. It is used to select a displayed menu item or draw pictures on the monitor screen. Two things it will do. First of all, whatever the menu you want to display, like this is called as a menu item. This is called as a menu item. When I will click this, this is called as a menu item. So for this you can make use of pen, light pen. Whenever you want to make use of this light pen, so you will click here, it will display all the menu item. And second thing, if you want to draw the pictures with the help of pen, it is available in the ms paint. ms paint में ये light pen available होती है. You will make use of that light pen and you can draw the pictures on the monitor screen. Next is called as a trackball. Now what does the trackball do? Trackball is an input device that is mostly used in notebook or laptop computer instead of mouse. If you don't have mouse, so you will make use of trackball, and it is used in laptop computer. Wherever you want to use, you can make use of trackball. Trackball we are not using it, children. Microphone you are using in your schools. Whenever you want, whenever we are conducting any assembly, whenever we are conducting any program, so that time we are making use of microphone means nothing but the mic. Microphone is an input device. Input device means until and unless you will not speak anything, so microphone will not work. So it is an input device to input sound. You will input the sound, you will input your voice, then that is then stored in a digital form. Then in that by making use of digital form, it is audible to everybody. When you will use microphone, so your voice, your sound will be audible to everybody. Barcode reader. If you'll go to big malls, so they will make use of this machine, barcode reader. They will see one barcode. If you will purchase any item from the market, you will see some lines are available on that item. Any item, maybe one biscuit packet, one soap. If you are purchasing one soap, soap, whatever the soap you are using for taking bath, so whatever thing you will purchase, that time different lines are available, and at the down some numbers are written on that. So that is called as a barcode reader. See, whenever you go in mall, the person having this machine in their hand, and they used to read this barcode number. So barcode reader is a device used for reading barcoded data. Data in the form of light and dark lines. Light lines are there and dark lines are there. Means thin and thick lines are there. Barcode data is generally used in labeling goods, numbering the books. Now only I told you in goods, whatever the items you will purchase. In books it is also there. Means in each and every item the barcode reader is available. Next is optical mark reader. Now optical mark reader, if you know, now this optical mark reader is nothing but whatever you are getting, the online, whenever you are attempting for any exams like SOF, Olympiad exams, math, science, so that you are getting one paper, that is OMR sheet. You are getting one sheet where the small 4 options are given in the form of circle. You have to color it, and that time what happened, the person have to check what the answers you have selected. It will not check by the pen. That time it will put he will put that paper inside this optical mark reader machine, and it will scan it, and that machine will tell you how many answers you have done right and how many answers you have done wrong. So optical mark scanner will judge what the answers you have done right or wrong, and optical mark reader OMR is a sheet which is getting you in your school when you are attempting your own competitive exams. 4 options are there, you are coloring it one completely. Is it clear? So OMR is a special type of optical scanner used to recognize a type of mark made by pen or pencil. Whatever we are making use of pen or pencil, it is used where one out of few alternatives is to be selected and marked. Now only I told there are 4 options and you are selecting one, whatever you find it is correct or not. This is all about input devices. Is it clear, dear children?